Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check and top up, if it is necessary, your oil level on your Vauxhall Corsa E MK4. Open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of your engine area, you can see your engine. Yeah, there it is. Your powerful engine is in front of you. On top of the engine is the EcoTech branding. And you can see two yellow spots. On the left side, that is the dipstick. It is to control your oil level. On the right side, there is a cap, yellow cap, for refill and top up the oil. You have to control your oil if your car is or your engine is in a warm condition. That means go out, drive for 10 minutes, then switch off the car, switch off the engine, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we can check. First step is we are looking on the bottom side of the cap, and if here is a white liquid oil thing, that means you have water in your oil. That's not so good. But here is nothing, all fine. So now remove the dipstick in one pull operation. Then clean your dipstick with a cloth. You can see here the areas where we are going to see, after we get back the dipstick in position, the oil level. The oil level has to be between the upper thing here and the bottom thing over on the opposite side. There are 3 marks. The upper mark means it's full. Do not overfill it. The second mark means optimum. And the bottom mark means this is minimum range. You have to fill a little bit. So dip the dipstick back in the engine, remove it, and you can see we are on the 1, 2, 3 level. Maximum level reached. This is okay. It's okay that your oil is black. No problem with it. But so you can check your oil level. And if the oil level is under the minimum, dip a little bit oil under the cap. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.